Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Eco Adda V2 Economics. Today we continue class 11 part A, Statistic in Economics, chapter 1, Introduction. So let's begin with the term statistic. It is defined as the collection, organization, analysis, interpretation and presentation of data. So statistic हम अभी तक मैथ्स में पढ़ते थे. सो स्टैटिस्टिक मीन्स किसी भी डाटा को कलेक्ट करना, उसको ऑर्गेनाइज करना, उसको एनालाइज करना, उसको इंटरप्रेट करना एंड देन उसको प्रेजेंट करना इन एनी फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जांपल बार ग्राफ, डायग्राम्स, पाई चार्ट्स एक्सेट्रा. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्टैटिस्टिक इन इकोनॉमिक्स, it is defined as the collection, organization, analyze, interpretation and presentation of specific data that should be economic data. For example, number of people comes under the category of poverty with respect to the total population. As we know, poverty is a major economical problem. Now here are some related terms. First term is data. It is a collection of information. So जब हम किसी भी information को collect करते हैं, then it forms a data. Second term is analysis. To study the collected data. So analysis is a process to study the collected data and gathered information to find the problem of the economy. Third term is policies. And statistic policies are formed to measure that helps in solving an economic problem. So बहुत सारी economic problems है. For example, poverty, food scarcity, etc. तो इन इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट को कुछ पॉलिसीज़ बनानी पड़ती हैं. In economics, such measures are known as policies. Okay, let's move on. What is statistic? Statistic means numerical facts systematically collected. तो statistic कुछ numbers हैं जिनको हम collect करते हैं as a data. Second point, statistic includes both qualitative and quantitative data. So statistic includes qualitative data as well as quantitative data. Third, the data may be represented in tabular, diagrammatically, graphically, etc. So data किसी भी फॉर्म में हम प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, whether it is a bar graph, pie chart, in a tabular form, in a graphical form, etc. Understood? The next topic is what statistic does. It means how statistic work in the economics. So first, helps to understand the economic problem. So statistic हमारी मदद करता है किसी भी economic problem को समझने में. Second, helps to find the cause of the economic problem. कोई भी इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम क्यों कॉज हो रही है, उसके पीछे के रीजंस क्या हैं, वो हमें स्टैटिस्टिक हेल्प करता है समझने में. थर्ड, इट हेल्प्स इन कंडेंसिंग द मास ऑफ डाटा इनटू अ फ्यू न्यूमेरिकल मेजर्स. सो स्टैटिस्टिक जो है वो बहुत एक सिस्टमैटिक प्रोसेस है किसी भी मास ऑफ डाटा को, लार्ज डाटा को कुछ न्यूमेरिकल मेजर्स में फॉर्म करने के, विच मेक्स द डाटा ईजियर टू अंडरस्टैंड. फोर्थ पॉइंट, it is used in finding relationship between the different economic factors. So statistic help us to understand the relationship between the economic factors. And the last, statistical methods help to formulate appropriate economic policies that solve economic problems. So statistical methods हमें ये बताते हैं कि how to make economic policies और ऐसी पॉलिसीज़ को फॉर्म करना जो हमारे इकोनॉमिक इश्यूज़, इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स जो हैं उनको रिजॉल्व कर सके फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ our nation. I hope now you are clear with the topic statistic and its features. So at last we summarize this chapter. So we have studied in this unit about who is a consumer, who is a seller, who is a producer, what are economic activities, what are services, what is consumption, what is production, and how the distribution take place of goods or services. What is the meaning of a statistic in economics? How data form, how data collect, how to organize, then analyze, how to interpret, and how to present in different forms. And last, the features of a statistic. It means how the statistic work in our economy for the betterment of the society. So यहाँ पर हमारी first unit of part A, statistic in economics, is over. I hope you are clear with this. So thank you for watching this video. Also comment down if you have any query regarding this video or this concept. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends, your classmates, and we will see you in the next video.